Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard of your Dell Inspiron 15R and Vostro. These are the laptops this keyboard is compatible with. You can check if your laptop is in the list, and let's get started. All you need is a flat type of a screwdriver. Any flat type of a screwdriver will help because it's just unzipping four things over here. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm using this green one. Open your laptop, like just open the lid, and as you can see, this is the keyboard I have right now. You'll notice that near the escape key there's a button which we need to open. Here you can see, and there's one on top of F5 key, and there's one on top of F11 key, and there's one at the delete key. All you need to do is just press this one, hold it like this, and just put it like this, and it comes up. You need to do it for all of them. It's quite easy. Just press it and put it inside and put it up. And here you can see it came out. And this is the keyboard internals, and now we need to do is hold this screwdriver like this to the black thing over here and just pull it on top softly, and once it's done, remove your old keyboard, and keep it aside. Now you need to do is open your new keyboard. I haven't opened the new keyboard yet. Let's unbox this keyboard. There's no box to this. Okay, this is the warranty card, I guess. This is the compatible keyboard for my new this is the compatible keyboard for my Dell 3520. Now I'm going to put it inside. So all you need to do is keep the keyboard this way and hold this thing. The up it is written, just hold it this way so that you can, up thing is visible from here. Hold it this way and slide it in perfectly. Once it's done, you can close this with your finger. Once it's closed, keep the keyboard this way slightly and just press it inside so the whole thing goes inside, and keep it on the place, and here you can see my keyboard is fit into the laptop. And this is my new keyboard. Let me test it. Feel is same. We can close it. Let's test the keyboard, guys. Start with KWERTYUIOP brackets. It's working. And then the last line, second line, it's working, and then the last line, it's working. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Backspace and Control A, Control Z. Yes guys, so the keyboard is working. After the replacement of my keyboard, my laptop is fine. And you can keep the old keyboard in case your new keyboard has some issues. You can use it later. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video and it helped you.